Hello again guys, welcome to a new video, and now we are at the Alberta registration ground. So probably a quick video again guys. So good morning Philippines and good afternoon Canada. Okay guys, so we're here at the front of the Alberta registration ground. So this part ni sa guys karon guys, naapon ni siya yung mga bulak, mga garden guys. Ato pangitaon ang iyang garden guys kung asa to rapita guys. Nindot sa ni siya ang yang view dire guys. So we figure it out. Where's that thing, the garden, yeah, so it's about Sunday here, about 23 degrees. That's not too bad. So yeah, look at that guys. Very nice place. So I'll probably just do a quick vlog again. And the storm is coming pretty late, so I thought I was gonna be in deep. It was a bit windy for a bit, so cut it for a bit. Okay guys, mga taon to ilang garden guys. Nindot po ni siya diri lugar guys. Yeah, kamo ni siya guys. Diri gobyerno ni siya guys. So we'll see if which that garden yeah. So don't forget to like, share, comment below, subscribe, and click the bell please. Okay, we'll see guys. See the dako po ni siya guys diri guys. So pangitaon tato ay katubang kuan guys. Diri ko ani guys, but I was like very long time ago guys. So that was about 7 years ago. So at that time guys, dili pa ko kuan guys, wala pa ko mag-vlog guys, kay pag-uhay pa man ko ga-vlog guys. So nindot kini siya diri guys. It's so relaxing and quiet area too guys. Okay. Oh guys, sus ang i-repair mo tatong tubangan guys, na amta to dito ang pinakanindot nga view sa was here. Dugay na gid lagi to guys. So akong gitan-aw og usab, pero wala man guys, gakuan man under that construction guys. So magkuan lang ta guys, magtutuyok lang ta guys. Nindot po nilang view diri guys. Sa ubos guys. Yeah, so gamay kuan ganito guys, peaceful kay guys nga, relaxing kay guys. Okay guys, another perfect day for walking guys. Dili sa pares gahapon, init siya ron guys, pero cloudy kay expected gud nila guys mo uwan guys. Nawa ng background guys. So tama gini guys. Lakaw lang putag gamay for exercise na pud guys ba ang ilang mga views guys. So yeah, importante sige lang tag update og kinagmay nga vlog guys. So siguro guys, ari na lang siguro ta kutob guys, kay bisag maabtan ata sa uwan guys ba. So probably we call it a day, and Thank you for watching, guys. I'll see you next time. Peace out.